Getting an edge in racing has always meant chasing one tweak, that one lap or that one insight. With over 25 years of racing experience, we've built a platform to help teams find that edge. Gibbs AI provide a shared language for the entire team to use racing data to analyze the past and provide recommendations to help your future performance. Welcome to Gibbs AI. Our platform is named after the great Joe Gibbs, whose eye for talent has brought numerous titles to the Toyota family. Gibbs AI curates the journey for how a driver or a coach. We built an innovative factor analysis to understand what predicts success and is the core brain to Gibbs AI. To help translate that complex work, we've created explanations to help you know what to focus on. So you will see that drivers have a breakdown to help them build trust in our product, where coaches/engineers have a more technical breakdown. Let's walk through Gibbs AI. First, the journey begins with our ranking system, based on our algorithm. You can view what the metrics mean and sort drivers by each metric to help you find yourself or who you want to scout. We are going to look at how Ethan's team may use this. We get an AI scouting report and an overview of his recent results, which he can see a detailed log of his results, but we are going to dive into his 4-factor analysis to examine his skill set. The skills section provides context on how the driver is doing against the top drivers. We provide context on how you should interpret this data and leverage this to find strengths and weaknesses. Use the plus signs to drill into the product to get an analysis of the driver's skill and see how the driver fares on the variables that makes up the factors. This chart shows us where Ethan compares to other drivers, and we can see he has a lot of work on his racecraft, which we provide an AI recap of that below based on past performance. As you look at the summary, it calls out specific races and moments that Ethan can work on. As he prepares, he goes through his off-season training to get ready for the 2026 season. He can also click through the other factors here. What we want to know is how we help Ethan develop, and how working on his racecraft, how will that help him next season? The development section is like a create a player video game section that allows a driver to tune areas that they could improve and run simulations of what their projected performance could be if they make those slight improvements on the track. Let's see who Ethan comps out to. We see that if Ethan works on his racecraft, his average performance will likely improve by a position next season. When competing for a championship, that can be huge. To enable Ethan to achieve this goal next year, we use AI to look at telemetry and race log data to compare him and Jackson. This looks at where Jackson had Ethan this past year and breaks down critical tracks and moments Ethan can look at to be a champion next season. Here was a demo of Gibbs AI and how our platform can work for Toyota to help drivers and teams enhance its already industry-leading driver development program.